Rebuff is a verb, a noun that refers to rejecting someone, or something in a blunt, abrupt or ungracious manner. As a verb, it means to refuse or repel an offer, suggestion, or approach. As a noun, it refers to the act of rejection itself. The word often conveys a sense of deliberate coldness or sharpness in the refusal. Origins of rebuff. Rebuff originates from the Italian word ribuffare, meaning to repel or to scold. Zeitgeist entered Middle French before being adopted into English in the 16th century. Today it carries a sense of pushing back forcefully, both physically and figuratively. Thursday, how to use rebuff. Rebuff is used to describe dismissive actions or responses, often in social, professional or diplomatic contexts. Example sentences. Verb: she rebuffed his offer to help, insisting she could manage on her own. Noun: his proposal was met with a sharp rebuff from the committee. Despite repeated invitations, the artist's rebuff of public appearances remained firm. There are similar words. Reject: to refuse to accept or consider something. Spurn: to reject disdainfully or with contempt. Repel: to drive away or resist. Dismiss: to refuse to consider or accept something. Nuances of rebuff. Tone: rebuff often implies a brusque or discourteous refusal, making it stronger than a simple no. Intentionality: it suggests a conscious and sometimes defensive rejection, rather than passive avoidance. Context: while often used in personal relationships or social interactions, it can also describe professional, political, or diplomatic situations. Cultural and literary usage. In literature, rebuff is often used to describe dramatic interpersonal dynamics, such as unrequited love or thwarted ambitions. For instance, a protagonist might experience a rebuff that becomes a turning point in their character, development, or the plot. In summary, rebuff is a sharp, intentional rejection, carrying emotional weight and often setting the tone for strained interactions or conflicts. Its versatility makes it a powerful word in both casual and formal contexts. Subscribe.